Building cloud-native applications can often be difficult. Setting up the right environments, accessing client libraries, and figuring out an easy way to deploy and debug your application is time-consuming. To help you solve these challenges, we built Cloud Code. Cloud Code is a set of IDE plugins that allows you to write, deploy, and debug cloud-native applications quickly and easily. Cloud Code supports a number of IDEs, including Visual Studio Code, JetBrains IDEs such as IntelliJ, and Cloud Shell Editor. This way you can leverage the tools you already know. Let's dive deeper into how Cloud Code helps you write, deploy, and debug your code faster. First, a collection of starter templates showing best practices in a variety of languages are available out of the box. And you can run these on Google Kubernetes Engine or Cloud Run with just a few clicks. As you build out your app, you can easily enable and integrate numerous Google Cloud APIs from your IDE. You can also leverage Cloud Code's Secret Manager integration to access and manage sensitive data like API keys, passwords, and certificates right from your IDE. And if you aren't someone who loves writing YAML files, Cloud Code improves your YAML authoring experience with features like code snippets and inline documentation. Once you're done writing your code in those pesky YAML files, it's time to deploy. If you're trying to run your Kubernetes application on a local Kubernetes cluster, Cloud Code makes it easy to deploy to Docker Desktop, or will create and start a Minikube cluster for you if you don't have one. When developing, Cloud Code can automatically rebuild and redeploy your code every time you make a change. It even supports hot reloading individual files that change to the container without a rebuild or redeploy, so you see updates in under a second. Even better, Cloud Code works with any Kubernetes cluster, be it on Google Cloud or any other cloud. After deploying, you may discover issues in your application. Cloud Code is here to help by providing the same debugging experience you're used to in the IDE, even when debugging a remote Kubernetes cluster or a serverless application. Just place breakpoints, then debug your code in your Kubernetes cluster or locally on Cloud Run emulator. If you need to dive deeper, Cloud Code also comes with a built-in log viewer to help you monitor and debug issues with your Kubernetes and Cloud Run services right within your IDE. Now you know how Cloud Code works to improve your experience creating cloud-native applications within your favorite IDE by helping you write, deploy, and debug your code faster. We hope this short introduction to Cloud Code gives you all you need to get started. Cloud Code is the most productive way to build cloud-native applications, and you can give it a try by going to cloud.google.com/code. Also, you can reach out to us via Slack. You can find us using this link with Cloud-Code as the channel name.